Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a yarn that is so highly requested. If you love a little extra bling, this yarn is your perfect match. Meet Date Nights. Date Nights is a chainette yarn, and as you can see, each color has metallic thread which brings the sparkle. It comes in gorgeous jewel tones. This yarn will make fantastic accessories. Pair it with a black or neutral top, and your project will really pop. I know this might sound a little crazy, but this cake just feels great. It's a nice dense cake, so you know there's a lot of yardage. There's 273 yards in here. Date Nights is a worsted or medium weight yarn. It's 82% acrylic and 18% polyester, so of course it's super easy to care for. Just pop your finished project in the washing machine. Now, aside from the metallic, what makes this yarn unique is the chainette construction. Chainette yarns are braided in a tubular construction, which makes for great stitch definition. And you'll see that in the swatch, which is coming up next. Let's see how this works up, but before I do that, make sure you're subscribed because we have lots of new yarns coming soon and I don't want you to miss any of them. Look at that sparkle. This swatch looks like New Year's Eve. This is stockinette stitch worked up on the recommended needle size. It does have really clearly defined stitches that are beautiful. And Date Nights is really easy to work with. With this type of construction, you won't have to deal with splitting, which is great because that can be tricky for metallic yarns. And here's the crochet swatch. It's single crochet worked up on the recommended hook. I love how this is picking up the light. Now this swatch is making me think of all of the amazing projects that I want to make with Date Nights. Of course, first I'm thinking of shawls and accessories, but I think you could really go for it and make a summer top or a lightweight cardigan. Don't forget, you can also pair this with other worsted weight yarns as an embellishment, like the edging on a sweater or trim for a hat. I hope you're as inspired as I am to work with Date Nights. Make something for the special someone in your life or just spoil yourself. Happy stitching!